Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, LENOVO Tab M7 device, and I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So firstly, let's start by disabling all unnecessary features. So firstly, open control panel and let's disable all services we don't need right now. So if you don't use maps right now, just disable location, because location constantly searching for GPRS signal. If you are not using Wi-Fi right now, just disable the Wi-Fi, because Wi-Fi constantly searching and using Wi-Fi networks. If you are in car or in the tram where you have no Wi-Fi networks, just disable it. If you don't using Bluetooth right now, disable it, because it's constantly searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. If you are using hotspot right now, just disable it too. Disable nearby share if you are not using nearby share right now, because it's constantly searching for nearby Android devices and you are visible for everyone when nearby share is enabled. Great. Then open settings. Open display, and here you will find brightness level. Reduce brightness of your screen to improve your battery life. Then go back, and the last thing you can do to improve your battery life is to enable power saving mode. To do it, scroll down and find battery here. Find here battery saver and click turn on. Great. And of course you have battery protected mode, as you can see if the battery is connected to the power supply. So using this mode you will protect your battery from damages. So I suggest you enable this feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.